Hey, what's going on, family? It's Brother Andrew back again with another video. And today we're going to be continuing our mathematics series in preparation for these end of the year assessments. And today we're going to focus on making a brain dump. You can make a brain dump in many different variations. And today we're going to focus on making a multiplication chart along with a place value chart. So get your notebook, grab a pencil, and come along with me. I'm gonna hop right over to my math desk. All right, family, for this brain dump, we're gonna be utilizing a grid paper. First thing we're gonna start with is our multiplication chart. We're gonna start with a X at the top, and we're gonna make our outline. In fourth grade, we go up to our 12 timetables. Like so. This is how we're gonna start our multiplication chart. Now, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, and so on. Now, if we have it going across, we also have it going down. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. And so on and so forth. Now we're going to work on our 2's. We already have 2 multiplied by 1. So now we have 2 multiplied by 2. And we're just skip counting. That's another method we're utilizing. And just like I said, if you have it going across, you also have it going down. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and so on and so forth. Now, if you struggle skip counting by 3, there's a technique you can utilize, right? We can put 3 dots right here at the top. And every time we go to a new box, we count 1, 2, 3. And when we land on the third dot, that's going to be the number that we put in that box. Let's do an example. We already have the 3 filled in because 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. Now 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Now, if we didn't know automatically with fluency that 3 multiplied by what 3 multiplied by 3 is, we can come up here and we start with 6 in our head. We have 7, 8, 9. We are on the last dot and our number is 9. So we're going to place that right there. And we can continue on. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And so you can just keep doing that on and on. But if you could skip count, you could just do it that way as well. 27, 30, 33, 36. You remember, our goal is to be able to do these with fluency. That's why we're getting practice all year long. All right. Now, the same way we utilize that technique for the 3s, we can do it for the 4s. Instead of having 3 dots, we could just put 4 dots and do the same thing. So we got 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and go on and so on and so forth. And if we have it going one way, we also have it going down. Now we're on the fives. We can skip count by 5 across: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And if we got it across, we have it down. Now, I'm just going to go straight to my tens. We can do the same technique with the dots for our sixes, sevens, eights, nines, any of them. You could do the same technique, right? But I know we're working on our fluency. We may be able to skip count, or you may just automatically know them, right? At this point, I'm just going to fill in the rest of them. And the more we practice, the better we'll get at doing this. All right. Now that we have a completed multiplication chart, the very next step of this brain dump is we're going to create a place value chart. So what we're going to do is simply turn our sheet the long way, and we're going to work on this top portion right here, right? Now, in fourth grade, we go all the way up to the 100 millions. And we go all the way down into our decimals, and we go all the way down to the thousandths place, right? So when we're making this place value chart, we're not gonna write the entire word for the place value. We're gonna abbreviate it. So we're gonna use the first or second letter for it, and we're gonna make our place value chart. So I like to start with the highest place value that we go to here in fourth grade. So we're going all the way up to the 100 millions. Right below, we have 10 million. We have million. We're going to give a space for a comma. Then we have 100,000. Then we have 10,000. Then we have thousands. We got our hundreds, our tens, and our ones. Then we have a decimal. Now we're down into our decimal places, right? So we have tenths. We have hundredths. And then we have thousands. All right. This place value chart is very, very useful. You can use it for many things. You can use it to find out the value of a digit. You can use it to find the place value of a digit, right? You can use it to compare numbers. You can use it to compare whole numbers or decimal numbers. You can use it to order numbers from least to greatest to assist you doing that, or greatest to least. You can use this place value chart for several things. Now, reason why we make it this way on the side is because when you're taking your assessment, you have this space to put numbers in. You can use it to help you add or subtract as well. Make sure you stay tuned and check out this next video so you can see how we utilize this place value chart to do adding and subtracting. See you in the next one. Peace.